Weather Service has issued a test tornado watch in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon for all of Wisconsin and the adjacent coastal waters of Lakes Michigan and Superior. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this test message. This is a test message. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 9998, effective until 2 p.m. This watch includes the following counties. In Wisconsin: Adams, Calumet, Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Green Iowa, Jefferson, Juneau, Kenosha, Lafayette, Manitowoc, Marquette, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Racine, Richmond, Rock, Sauk, Sheboygan, Vernon, Walworth, Washington, Waukesha, Sheridan, Winnebago, and the following: nearshore waters around Sheboygan to Port Washington, nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Two Rivers to Sheboygan, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Repeating, this is a test. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.